Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today I'm just showing you what we've been doing this week. So here we are, we've got a fiberglass cow that we've built. We're just about to start finishing him off. These are all the joins where the moulds come out. The moulds in 26 pieces, so she's a bit of a job. The next thing we've got going on is we've got a ute roof, FJ40 ute roof here that we've just finished laminating. And it's a two-piece mould there. G60 windscreen, Nissan. She's just been finished off today. That you can see the clamps, how it all G-clamped down together. We've got a 79 series scoop here for a GU 1-3, or we also fit it onto the 100 series Land Cruiser. And I am super excited about this new product that we're about to release, and it is a 200 series bonnet with a 79 scoop on it. It's been a little while we've been working on it, but we should have this out on the market in the next week or two. Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.